Real world assets have a massive room for growth in this bull cycle. There's a lot of people that don't understand exactly why that is. What's up guys, my name is Lamar from the Real World Asset Watchlist, and in today's video, I'm going to take you through why exactly you need to be positioned into the top real world asset coins. But before we do get into that, as always, make sure you don't miss any more content by clicking that subscribe button. We're going to help you navigate through this bull run like a boss. Let's get it. The market is heating up. Bitcoin is now at 102k ETH. Looks like it wants to push for 4k. And what happens when ETH does finally push for 4k? A lot of our ETH ecosystem coins are going to start to pump with it. Now, when we come to the top real world asset coins by market cap on CoinMarketCap, you guys can see that currently the total market cap is 70 billion. According to this website, the volume has actually increased over the past 24 hours by 45%. We've had $3.38 billion of volume alone. If we go to the all-time chart, you can see we've had massive increases over the past 2 years. Yes, real world assets are a brand new sector in crypto. Now, a lot of you guys are going to be familiar with some of the coins that we did cover in previous videos. Today, we're going to look at some of the top coins. If you do want our picks for a lot of the juicy small to mid cap coins, you know what to do. Go and leave a comment in the comment section. But currently, the top real world asset coins are AVAX, Chainlink, HBAR, VeChain, Mantra, and Ondo. All of these are multi-billion-dollar market cap coins. Some of these in the tens of billions. Now, many of you guys will be new to crypto and you may not understand exactly what real world asset tokens are. Now, the source of this information is going to be from Coinbase, so remember, make sure you're always checking reliable sources. Real world assets, or RWAs, refer to tangible assets that exist outside the digital realm. These can range from bonds to real estate properties, commodities, and machinery. The concept of RWAs in the blockchain context is about digital tokens that represent these physical and traditional financial assets. This includes currencies, commodities, equities, and bonds. The tokenization of RWAs is seen as one of the largest market opportunities in the blockchain industry. And trust me, there are some big players getting into it right now, guys, with a potential market size in the hundreds of trillions of dollars. Now, many of you guys will know that many successful investors invest into real estate. This is almost like real estate Mark II. It's the Web3 version of real estate investments. But how exactly do coins get tokenized? Tokenization is the process of converting real-world assets into digital tokens through blockchain technology. This process aims to enable fractional ownership and make high-value assets more accessible to a wider variety of individuals. Now, think of this, guys. When you want to invest into property, you've got to go through so many leaps and bounds to just get that deed. There may be people that say, you know what, you're not qualified. And you may think, well, I have enough money to buy this property. It's not as easy as that in the real world. However, when it does come to real world assets and the blockchain, it makes peer-to-peer transactions of these high value assets a lot more easy and a lot more tangible. The digitization of physical assets is often seen as a way to modernize and democratize conventional financial markets. Now, as we said, it's a $70 billion market cap. According to Crypto Slate, it's going to be a $55 billion market cap. So there's going to be a few billion here or there, depending on what website you use. 59 assets are listed on this website, and you can see the sector dominance, similar to the AI coins, is only 1.5%. There's still a lot of room for growth, guys. Now, why do we think it's important to position ourselves in these real world asset tokens ahead of time? If we come to the right hand side, you can see here that a lot of these coins are extremely discounted from their all-time highs. AVAX is at a 70% discount from the prior run's all-time high. Chainlink a 55% discount. ICP 96% discount. Mantra 12% discount. And then you've got newer coins like Ondo, which you're not going to have any prior data, guys. Now, if you can position yourselves ahead of the crowd and you're not one of these people that FOMO into the markets, you can realize a lot of these gains just back to the all-time high. And if these coins do perform really well and they get a good narrative behind them, then you could be seeing multiple hundreds of % returns. And guys, when you go down in the market caps, yes, it does get a lot more risky. However, the risk to reward ratio does start to increase dramatically. Now, when we do come to the Forbes website, you're going to see a list of the top real world asset coins today by market cap. And each of these are tokenizing different things. You're seeing PAX here, which is going to be the digitization of gold. So no longer will you need to own physical gold. No longer will you need to go to a broker. You can actually buy PAX tokens, which is going to give you digital ownership of gold. A lot of these are going to be for real estate investment. But like we said, it is going to be a wide variety of different assets that you can tokenize through many of these projects. Now, many of you guys may think that the market cap's already in the multi-billion dollars. Can it really go that much higher? Well, you can see that BlackRock has a $10 trillion tokenization vision, the future of real world assets. Now, what BlackRock have been doing is they've pretty much been buying everything, guys, and they've been investing and creating strategic funds to be buying up these new tokens. Now, when you've got a massive asset manager like BlackRock investing into these tokenization platforms, guys, the money will start flowing in. What we always need to do, like I say to you in many videos, you need to follow the smart money. In March of 2024, BlackRock announced the launch of its first tokenization fund issued on the ETH blockchain. The BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund is the latest progression of the digital asset strategy. Now, guys, we're going to start to see a lot more of these tokenization funds come into fruition. You've seen Grayscale start to launch them. You can imagine that as time goes on, a lot of these big funds are going to create their own digital tokenization funds. And where do we think a lot of the money is going to flow? Now, Chainlink has seen extraordinary gains in the last bull run and currently up around 500% from its bear market lows. This is an industry leader in real world asset tokenization. Chainlink provides essential infrastructure and the ecosystem for powering security, data, and movement of tokenized real world assets. Now, while this may not be fully in fruition right now, these leading platforms, these leading projects are going to be at the forefront of when one day you can buy property through digital ownership, guys, and we will no longer need these physical old deeds. You guys are going to be able to say that you own a certain property, maybe even a certain piece of fine jewelry like a watch. And Chainlink estimates 876 trillion in assets. That is going to be the industry value at the moment. Now, imagine the growth of the real world asset tokenization sector in cryptocurrency once we do start to get that money flow in. Another big player is going to be Ondo as well, institutional grade finance. This is going to target these big institutions. They're building the next generation of financial infrastructure for institutions to come here and earn APY through their platform. So again, they're not just going to be targeting retail, they're going to be targeting high quality asset managers like BlackRock to be investing into their project, therefore bringing a lot more money into the project. What is that going to do to the price? What is that going to do to your Ondo bag? It's going to pump it up significantly. Now, there are many more tokens on the real world asset watch list. We're going to get into some of the juicy mid to small caps in the next video. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, leave a comment to let us know that you would like to see that. But guys, the opportunity is presenting right in front of us right now. Only a $71 billion market cap. According to CoinMarketCap, it is not too late. You guys see the potential for growth. Are you in? Are you out? But that's it. You guys let me know, what is your favorite real world asset coin in the comments right now. If you made it this far, as always, don't miss any content by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. I've been Lamar. I'm going to see you in the next one.